everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. Well, it has been a while since I have come on here, even to do a Dollar Tree haul, which lately seems to be all I've been doing. I really have wanted to get back into doing DIYs, which is still the plan, but sometimes we know life throws us curveballs and it takes us in a different direction. But I am, as I said, hoping to get back to DIYing, and in the meantime, I thought I would share this Dollar Tree haul. I didn't pick up a lot of things, but I love the things that I did pick up. So, as usual, I will go through the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I had gone in to look for some hair clips. I always wear these type of hair clips and usually pick them up at the Dollar Tree. Now, normally they have the all black or all brown, but this time around I wasn't able to find them, so I had to settle for these ones here, which I don't terribly dislike. I do have a couple of black at the top. Then there's this copper color in the center mixed with black, and then some burgundy and black at the bottom. So I'm sure I'll be able to make them work. I just like to have them to keep my hair out of my face. So I ended up getting those. And then as I was looking down the toy aisle, they had a few really cute smaller games. They had a version of what Uno looks like, but in a very small size. I can't remember what the name of that is, but beside that, I seen this memory flash game, and it's so funny because I had been talking about the Simon Says game and wanting to get one of them because I used to love playing that game. And lo and behold, I come across this miniature version of the Simon Says game. So it's called Memory Flash by Classic Games, and it uses 2 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna try that out and see how it works, but I just thought it was so funny to come across it. And then as I was in there, I always tend to look over in the pet aisle for some treats that I can find for my dog, and I do normally like to just get him organic treats. This one here, I hadn't seen it before. It's called Dog Treat Foppers. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it says Gourmet Pet Treat Bakery, and they are ethically sourced, sustainably focused, no corn, fillers, or byproducts, and food safety certified. Made in the USA, and these are cheese flavor mini bones. It says 4 simple ingredients. So I thought I would give them a try. I'm sure he's absolutely going to love them, and I thought it was a nice little treat for him. So hopefully they will be a hit. And it's not a bad size either. It is 4 ounces, 113 grams. The rest was all pretty much Decor and Floral, but I came across these faux greenery picks and greenery picks, and I think they are absolutely beautiful. Now, I already went ahead and took the tags of them off, but I don't think that they had the actual name of the pick. I could be wrong. But these are absolutely beautiful. They are a nice size. You get a fair amount on this pick. And quite honestly, just adding these to the Dollar Tree flowers just really makes the whole arrangement look much more realistic and not cheap at all. So I ended up getting quite a few of these picks. I also picked up some roses from the Dollar Tree. These ones were more closed. I picked up these as well. which I thought were really pretty. And I believe there was another, or maybe those were the only two. No, and then this one here. And like I said, I went ahead and took all the tags off to put them in the arrangement because I wanted to see what they look like together. So I don't have the names of the flowers, but it was more or less just to show you the different types of flowers that Dollar Tree is selling. And I absolutely love this arrangement. As I said, it looks very much on the higher end of an arrangement using these flowers, and I was able to do it using all Dollar Tree flowers and greenery. I picked up these two table decor, and these are so pretty. Many times Dollar Tree sells the love, home, blessed, welcome decor pieces, but these ones here I really love. So they are plain on the back, but this one was painted in white and then black at the bottom, so it says love makes our house a home. And then it has a little bit of greenery and then the buffalo check ribbon, and I just love it. I think it's so pretty. And then the other one that I picked up says home where life begins and love never ends. So you can see it's just in the natural finish in the for the word home, and then white at the bottom with the black lettering. Again, the greenery and the buffalo, black and white buffalo check ribbon. And I just love these. They're very nice. The last two decor pieces I have to show you, I was most excited about, and you can see why. It is the cathedral window, and they are mirrored, which I absolutely love. And I love as well that it has the two layers in the window. So you have this part in here that's in more, and then the outer frame, which I absolutely love. They came in white and black, so I had to pick up a couple of each. But when I see decor pieces like this, I want to pick up like 10 or 20 of each. But I was good this time around. And then the last thing to show you how beautiful are these decor pieces. And again, they come in black and white, and they are thinner in size, and it has a knob on the bottom, and look how beautiful the knob is. It's in gold, and then it has a white crystal for the knob. I think they are absolutely beautiful. I was so excited to come across these. I know exactly where I'm going to put them. We have been working on so many different projects. We still are working on our motorhome, and in our bathroom, it's a small bathroom, and above the sink area, there's just a thin strip to place some type of mirror where you can look into when you're washing your hands or brushing your teeth. And I think these are going to work out really nice. So I was so happy to come across these, and I just think even though I didn't pick up a lot of items, it was a very successful Dollar Tree trip. So guys, that will do it for this small Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're all doing great. I wanted to just come on in here and wish all of you a wonderful summer. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this small Dollar Tree haul from me. If you did, please click on the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. I hate saying I'm going to be back soon, because I know I say it and then something comes up and I feel terrible. But again, that is the goal, to get back to DIYing, sharing some Dollar Tree hauls, and just sharing some things that I enjoy, whether it be a DIY or an item at the Dollar Tree, with all of you. So until next time, guys, take care, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.